Introducing a new concept design from Vande Scales, an Incline in-motion checkweigher with two styles of diverts. This checkweigher takes packaged product, weighs it, and brings it to an elevated level on the plant floor. In addition, this unit features two diverts to handle the diverse product sizes and throughput, one for light, high throughput product, and a second inline divert for lower throughput, heavier product. This unique design enables it to work within the customer's tight space constraints. Product is transferred to the pacing conveyor from the previous process. The product moves to the in-feed conveyor, which has grip belting to ensure that the product accelerates to the proper speed, thereby creating a gap. This product is transported up the incline. The in-feed conveyor is moving at the exact same speed as the conveyor scale to provide smooth product transfer across the gap. Next, the product is weighed on the conveyor scale. It then moves on to the outfeed conveyor, where it will transfer to the next process if the weight is acceptable. If the product weight is not acceptable, it will be quickly removed using a retractable style divert. Some of this customer's product is very small and moves at a high rate of speed, such that the retractable divert can't precisely remove a single small package when needed. Therefore, we also included an alternate blow-off divert that can quickly remove lightweight, high-throughput product. A smooth product transfer across the scale ensures stable weight readings. Despite being at an incline, the in-feed conveyor, conveyor scale, and outfeed conveyor are all in the same plane, so package movement, accelerating up or down, which can sometimes give false weight readings, is not a concern. The quick-acting retractable divert saves space versus our standard linear thrust divert and can accommodate a high product throughput despite the large product size. Additionally, a light illuminates correlating to a package that is the correct weight, overweight, or underweight. The conveyor scale portion of this checkweigher weighs each item and sends the weight information to the scale data system controller. The controller tracks weight information for each product type. The operator can easily change the product type so that product information can be viewed for each product as it is being run. The controller stores information such as total weight, total number of products, average weight of the product, number of products rejected, and the number of products accepted for each product run. All the data populates an SQL database and is accessible via Ethernet. This checkweigher gives you complete confidence in knowing that all product leaving your facility is within the proper weight range. This gives you unequaled quality control. Contact us today to learn how we can design a unique solution for you and save you money. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to receive notifications of our latest videos. Check out our newly updated website and follow us on Facebook or X. Links are in the description. If you have questions or comments, mention them below.